Hello, welcome to XONMINING channel. Today we are unboxing the ALPH II. Let's unbox and see what's inside. Okay, this is the packaging of Goldshell. The ALPH doesn't have PSU and the new version still doesn't have one. Let's take a look. After unpacking, there is a use manual, some cables, and a Wi-Fi antenna. The machine is very small and lightweight, as it doesn't have built-in power supply. You can just attach the Wi-Fi antenna, and then the power port in the back is where you can connect an external power supply, which you'll need to purchase separately. This is a mini miner. The small size and lightweight design make it easy to carry and place. Overall, the Goldshell ALPH II is a good choice for users who want to do cross-currency mining in a home environment. With its compact size and algorithm support, it's a convenient option. You just need to buy a compatible power supply to get it up and running. ALPH II's current profitability is $43.33 each day based on data from XONMINING value. The algorithm supported are Brick 3 and the mineable coins are ALPH and DCR, with ALPH being the main coin. They're saying ALPH is the next multi-billion-dollar metal worth. Do you agree? In any case, Bitmain and IceRiver have both entered the ALPH coin market alongside Goldshell. What are your thoughts on this? Is it a battle of machine vs machine? Or are we seeing a race to dominate the mining pool rankings? Smaller miners may opt for more affordable ALPH rigs, while large mining farms will likely prioritize Bitmain's offerings. If it were you, which would you choose? Regardless, we will got you covered with a variety of options. Thank you all for your support. That's it for today's update. Thank you for watching. See you next time.